Hey guys, what's up? It's Halsey. Welcome to the video. Thank you guys so much for being here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Bellami hair tutorial, a tousled hair look, a Bellami review. Honestly, this is my everyday go-to hair look. It's super easy. It's super quick. I do have a code. It is Chase10, like the bank, Chase10. If you guys want to get your very own Bellami hair extensions and get money off, if you guys see anything in the video that you like, of course, that is for tools as well. If you guys are interested in getting your own Bellami extensions and you don't know what color to get, I want to put this in here because this is the #1 question I get asked, is people ask me what color they should get. I don't have all of the colors right in front of me, so unfortunately I cannot color match you guys. I wish I could. I would do it, believe me, but Bellami will do it. So message them on Instagram or send them a DM, send them your hair color, but it has to be a clear picture of your hair. It can't have a filter on it or anything like that, so Bellami will color match you. So right now I am wearing the Bellami Silk Seam dark brown, the 26" in 340 grams. I actually have had my extensions for a few months. I washed them today and I blow dried them because I wanted to show you guys that Bellami hair extensions really do last long. I will tell you guys, this has changed my life when it comes to washing extensions, is a wig head. I pin them on with this and then I can roll them out and it takes a fraction of the time. And then I just use my hot toddy spray for heat protection, and then I use Jumpstart from Dry Bar as well, just so it takes faster, it's faster to dry. I will list obviously all the products that I'm going to be using below. Once you curl your extensions, the curl really does last forever, so you can literally go to bed, take them out, and then the next morning clip them back in your head because they don't get messed up if they're sitting in your drawer at night. So I washed my extensions today. I'm going to show you guys what products I use to wash them. My extensions are in really good condition. I take really good care of my hair extensions because I've had so many and I've ruined so many. And so it comes with one of these, a side piece, so you can test and see if it matches your hair. But it comes with two clips. If you include the tester, which you can use as a hairpiece, we all do. It comes with 2 4 prongs. It comes as well with 2 3 prongs. So you will get more than enough hair. In fact, you almost get 2 entire sets of hair extensions. And the silk seam, that would be this right here, the weft is so skinny that you can literally put it right on your scalp and you would never know it. And you would think that these clips fall off. No, there's barely any shedding. And the clips, I have gone through several of these sets and I have never once had one of these clips get loose, fall off, anything. Off their old sets I did, off these no. I'm going to be using this curling iron right here. This is from Bellami. Yeah, it's 6 in 1. Okay, so there's 6 extensions. I still have all the extensions. I use all of the extensions. This is the biggest extension and I've really been liking it. A 1-2 moment here, a 1-2 moment in the back, and a 1-2 moment right here. Once you're doing this often, it will become easier and you really won't even need a mirror to put in your extensions. So I'm gonna just take about 1 inch of hair and I'm gonna curl it back. The first one we want to curl backwards. And see, we're just getting like these really loose curls. So I'm just going to curl this one forward. I'm just going to go all the way around the head. The main thing you want to make sure is that your real hair is blending with the extension. So you want to go in, then back, in, then back, because that gives more of a natural, wavy look. When everything goes one way, it looks kind of like a wedding look or a prom look or a older hairstyle. This one's a little more modern. this style right here. This is the only hairspray that I've been using. It is the Professional Sebastian Shaper Plus Original. This is the only hairspray I've ever used that does not make your hair stiff and hard. I would rather have a little bit of flexibility and bend in my hair than have hard, crunchy hair. Just no. It's a no for me. Alright, see, we're already getting some shape. Alright, now I'm just going to do my next layer. It's end of school year for my daughter and my son. So they have all their class parties. And then I volunteered to do the crafts in my son's class. So I found these leis, because it's a luau party. So I found these leis to do a luau party. So I thought the party was today, which is Thursday. I stayed up last night cutting the crafts, and then I found out it's not this Thursday, it's next Thursday, which is fine. So I just dropped the crafts off. Then I was gonna film when I got back, but then I had a parent-teacher conference, and I don't really like looking super like hair and makeup when I go to the school, just because it's a lot for a kid's school. I don't know. It's not like I would care, it would be the end of the world if I had to, but I prefer, if I have a choice, to do my hair and makeup if it's, you know, for filming and stuff like that, not for a parent-teacher conference. So I had my parent-teacher conference. So my daughter had soccer practice, but she was begging me to go swimming. So I told her, yes, we can go swimming after soccer practice. Just get ready for soccer, and then I'll take you swimming. But of course, I'm still filming. So she just got home and she's like, you're still filming? And I'm like, yes. But it's not like I've just been sitting down here filming the whole time. Like, I was getting ready and getting dressed and doing my makeup and washing my hair and blow drying my extensions. So it's just been like non-stop, go, go, go. Non-stop. Is anybody else afraid to have their kids home during summertime? Because I am. I worry about them like sitting around at the house and not getting outside enough, and they're home, they always argue with each other. Daughter's at that age where she argues with me. That's her favorite thing. So at the end of June, we're going to Disney World, which I'm so excited for, because I have never, ever, ever been to Disney World, ever. When I was a kid, I just remember the kids in my class, they would always be like, I went to Disney World. And I would be like, I would just be like, what is that like to go to have that kind of budget? To have a dual income household. Because my mom was a single mom. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Come on, Bellami, don't fail me now. See what I mean, how fast it is? And then, of course, I'm trying to film and do YouTube, which I love doing YouTube. It's fun and enjoyable for me. And it's just like important for me to have my own thing amongst all of my kid stuff. Alright, I'm just going to give her a spray. Yeah, the guy at Ulta recommended me this hairspray, and I'm surprised I liked it, because I never like anything that anybody recommends me. I'm like, oh, yeah, okay. And this is the only part you really have to be careful about where you put it, is like in the back right here. Just because where your hairline falls. This is actually more hair than I ever put in. I will admit, I'm fully just doing this for the video. I never put in this much hair. I just wanted you guys to see kind of like more of what the extensions can do. I want to blend the hair, but I don't want the top to be too curly, if that makes sense. I just want it to remain a little bit looser, so this part can be a little bit challenging not to go as high up as you would your bottom extensions. So the bottom half is done. It's pretty quick, pretty easy. So I guess you kind of have a few options when it comes to the top. So I purposefully did a blowout to the top of my hair so it would blend better with a round brush. However, I don't like too much when my hair is so in my face like that, because I just feel like it covers my face so much. So I like to kind of, for it to be back a little bit, I'm gonna tease the back just a little bit, just to kind of get like that, a little bit of like a tussled look. Okay guys, so as you could see, I teased it a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my the top piece extensions in as well. Depending on what hairstyle you do, like for example, I have these pieces that are framing my face in the front here, so I don't want, in this instance, I really don't want a really long piece like right in the front, so I want them just back a little bit. Just look at your face shape and your hairstyle and just decide like, what do you want. Now for example, if I'm doing like pin straight hair, then I will bring them up closer to the front. Since these pieces at the top are already curled, I'm gonna try not to mess with that too much. These extensions are a hair lighter than my natural hair, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. When it's dark hair like this, it's really hard to tell. When it's blonde hair, especially if you have like a warm and a cool blonde, it's much harder to blend. Dark hair is easier to blend. And then this guy right here. I'll just take a small piece of my own hair. I just think one of the most important things is to make sure that this part is not frizzy. And you can kind of side comb it a little bit and make sure that it's not frizzy. So I kind of like to tuck it behind the ear. So I don't like it covering up too much of my face. So I do like to tuck my front piece behind the ear. So I'm gonna do the other side. Alright guys, so here's the finished product here. I hope you guys can see. So here is the bottom. See, they're just like loose, wavy curls. And then the top is like this. This is a very easy look to achieve. It just looks like put together like you tried. So I'm just going to finish it up with some Sparkling Soda Shine Mist from Dry Bar. This is one of the best shine mists I found, and it doesn't weigh the hair down and make it greasy in any type of way. It's genuinely just a nice shine. It just makes the hair look healthy and natural. If you have really dry ends, which I do, you can take, I use some of this. This is the Living Proof Vanishing Oil, and I just take a little drop and I just put it on the ends. It is not necessary. You do not need this at all, but you can. So I'm just going to rub it in my hands, and then I'm just going to run it through the ends of my hair, just like that. Just because sometimes the spray I use doesn't really get the ends very good. So there we have some bounce in our ends. So I will of course link all of the products down below in the description. If you guys have any questions about what I use, it will be down below in the description bar. Again, my code is CHASE10, like the bank, so CHASE10 if you want to get some money off at checkout with Bellami. They are amazing hair extensions and you will not be disappointed. Remember, if you want to get color match, they actually color match you right off their Instagram. So I get a lot of questions from people about color matching, so just putting that out there. And if you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below and I would be happy to answer it for you guys. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please make sure to comment, rate, subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram at Halsey is my real name, or all social media platforms at Halsey is my real name, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!